The Alpha Media chairman Oya Achiji Amarasha yesterday at the magistrate court. Panapa otubuda tramashwa chiti why the regime must have arrested me instead of arrest Mkomana Geza. Panapa anobuda tarachukwada achiti kumanya makots panguwa inoi avachambouye vachidefenda majournalist but vakungoya vachingoita the work of the regime ndoya vakungofocus nekusapota sana pana mashoko anobuda chingwa panapa tiona kuti panguwa inoi vanhu vakajamuka kuti vasubscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa for the news day Zimbabwe vanobuda nyora chiti under the current circumstances journalists are doing their work at their own risk because the court is not going to side with you. The courts are going side with the regime rather than the journalist who is doing work on behalf of the public. Alpha Media Holdings Chairman Trevor Noe speaking at the Harare Magistrate Court after Alpha Media senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga was denied bail. Vanendrambiro vachiti Alpha Media Holdings senior journalist Blessed Mhlanga was on Friday denied bail by Harare Magistrate following his arrest early in the week on charges of inciting violence. Thomas Kwanabulanyi panapa tichiona kuti vakomana vanongoti ngapinde back in custody from 14 March. Mashoko tikona panapa tiona nhau ichipindirwa the chairman we Alpha Media panapa panozotodzera vanhu vari kubatikana and the people they really know the truth. Panguva ino the regime ichifaila kuloketa Blessed Geza. Panguva ino they are taking the opportunity yakuya panapa vachibatirira vakomana majournalists those who covered up the interviews. Tudze mafunguro enyu today pamusoro pechitu ichi pina comment section menu kuti mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.